Advocate Mehmood Pracha, a familiar face in human rights litigation, found himself at the center of a legal storm. The Delhi High Court imposed a hefty penalty of 1 lakh rupees on him. This stemmed from allegations of filing frivolous cases, particularly those concerning the 2020 Delhi riots. The court's decision ignited a firestorm of debate about judicial conduct and the boundaries of free speech within the legal profession. Pracha, known for his vocal criticism of the government, saw the penalty as an attempt to stifle dissent. This case quickly morphed into a symbolic battleground. It raised questions about the balance between judicial authority and the crucial role of lawyers as advocates for their clients, even in the face of powerful opposition. The nation watched, waiting to see how this high-stakes legal drama would unfold. The Delhi High Court's decision sent shockwaves through the legal community. The court, in its ruling, expressed concern over what it perceived as a pattern of frivolous litigation by Pracha. They specifically pointed to cases related to the sensitive and deeply divisive 2020 Delhi riots. The court's pronouncements extended beyond the hefty financial penalty. The judges also made strong comments about Pracha's conduct, questioning his motives and casting doubt on the legitimacy of his legal actions. This public censure, coupled with the financial burden of the penalty, was seen by many as a serious blow to Pracha's reputation and career. In a dramatic turn of events, the Supreme Court intervened in the case. Advocate Pracha, refusing to accept the High Court's decision, appealed to the highest court in the land. The Supreme Court, recognizing the gravity of the situation, agreed to hear his plea. The Supreme Court, in a significant move, stayed the 1 lakh rupees penalty imposed by the High Court. This provided Pracha with much-needed relief and signaled the court's willingness to scrutinize the matter further. The Supreme Court also indicated its intent to review the remarks made by the High Court against Pracha. This hinted at a deeper examination of the issues at hand. Section 4. Implications and questions. Navigating uncharted waters. The Supreme Court's intervention thrust the case into the national spotlight. Legal experts and commentators weighed in, dissecting the legal principles at stake. This case raised fundamental questions about the delicate balance between a judge's authority to regulate court proceedings and a lawyer's duty to zealously represent their clients. The potential implications of the Supreme Court's decision are far-reaching. A ruling in favor of Pracha could be interpreted as a strong message in support of lawyers' right to represent their clients without undue pressure or fear of reprisal. Conversely, upholding the High Court's decision could have a chilling effect on lawyers taking up controversial cases or challenging powerful entities. Section 5. The path ahead. Uncertainty and anticipation. As the legal battle moved to the Supreme Court, all eyes turned to the Election Commission. The case against Pracha stemmed from his representation of certain individuals in cases related to alleged irregularities in voter rolls, which the Election Commission denied. The Supreme Court's eventual decision hinges on a multitude of factors. The court must carefully weigh the High Court's concerns about frivolous litigation against Pracha's right to represent his clients and the potential impact on free speech within the legal profession. The Election Commission's response to the allegations and its stance on the matter is likely to play a key role in the Supreme Court's deliberations. Section 6. A call to engagement. Your voice, your court. The case of Advocate Mehmood Pracha is a stark reminder that the law is not merely an abstract concept confined to courtrooms. It's a living, breathing entity that directly impacts our lives and shapes the very fabric of our society. This case has ignited a nationwide conversation. This case is not just about one lawyer or one court ruling. It's about safeguarding the integrity of our judicial system and upholding the fundamental right to legal representation for all. Share your thoughts on this crucial case. Let your voice be heard in the ongoing dialogue about the future of our courts and the vital role of lawyers in a democratic society.